everybody, it's Coach Crystal here with Six Pack Abs. Today we're going to do another outdoor workout and we're going to be using a tire and the battle ropes. We're going to be doing 4 different exercises and you're going to perform each exercise for 40 seconds and then you're going to rest for 20. And then you'll rest a minute total in between each round. You'll be trying to complete 3 to 4 rounds. So the first exercise will be tire hops. The second exercise will be a burpee tire jump. Third exercise will be the battle ropes. And the fourth exercise will be decline push-ups on the tire. All right, so the first exercise again is the tire hops. Now on the tire hops, you want to make sure you're bringing your legs all the way up using your core so you can hop over with ease. Both feet. Hop in the middle, up to the other side, turn around, do it again. And repeat for 40 seconds. So the second exercise, tire jump burpees. So start off with the burpee, and then jump onto the tire. Hop off and repeat. All right, and the third exercise is the battle ropes. So you're gonna take the battle ropes in each hand. You're gonna make sure they're even. You're gonna slightly bend at the knees. Keep your arms straight, your core tight. The faster you can move these, the better. Don't try to slam, just move. So the fourth exercise, decline push-ups using the tire. So you're gonna place your feet on the tire, hands out, get into plank, keeping that core tight. If you have issues doing the decline push-up and you need to modify, you can always do an incline push-up using the tire as well. You place your hands on the tire instead of your feet. Go into your push-up. And if that is still not modified enough, go to your knees. Still keeping that core tight. All right guys, that's all I have for you today. I really hope you enjoyed this workout. And be sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe to this video and turn on your notifications so you're aware every time we put out a new one. Thanks for training with me, guys.